Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I'm so excited that I'm now joining Spellbinders Club Influencer Group. I'll be using their card kit of the month. I've had many requests for me to use Spellbinders kits, so now I will be. The very first kit I'll be using is the August 2021 card kit. This is called Art School. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing so you can see everything that's included. There's an information card, has all of the contents of the kit, and on the back side it has instructions on how to create one card. I've never actually used one of Spellbinders kits before, but I have purchased some of their past kits for my daughter when they've been on sale. They have some amazing sales. First up, we have the cardstock. There are 9 pieces. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. So we have a light blue, a white, there's pink, yellow, orange, red, dark blue, and a bright green. And there's also one sheet of specialty cardstock. This is gold mirror, and it does have that same gold mirror on both sides. I'm just gonna tuck it underneath the green, otherwise you're gonna be blinded from my overhead lights. There is a full 6x6 paper pad. These are all single-sided, and some of the sheets have this beautiful gold foil. So I'm hoping my camera is picking that up. There are 20 different designs, and you'll receive 2 of each. So I'm just gonna flip through these quickly. Lots of really fun patterns. Some would be perfect for back to school or teacher appreciation cards. There's lots of crafty themed papers as well. I love this sheet with all the little scissors. There's some beautiful florals. This looks like a craft mat. Here's a bunch of little icons with some animals. There's a rainbow in there. And then there's some nice tone-on-tone designs as well. So a really lovely mix. We have some polka dots. This one's really fun too. It has a bunch of paint tubes and it has that little bit of gold foil finish. There was a full sheet of rainbow, and now we're back to repeating those designs again. So really fun paper collection. Next up is a sheet of puffy stickers. So these are fairly small. I think they would work well in a planner, but they do have that little bit of dimension. Next, there are chipboard embellishments. There's 2 sheets. I'll just flip this over so you can see both sides. These do have adhesive on the back, so lots of icons, and there's also some sentiments as well. And many of them also have that gold foil finish, so that's really fun. There's another sheet of the puffy stickers, this time lots of little hearts and also some sentiments. And here's the stamp set. This is really fun. It has some great images if you like to color. There's also lots of fun sentiments. These are more crafty themed. There's a bag of sequins. These are all red. Some of them have a matte finish and the other are more shiny or glossy. There's a roll of double-sided tape, and this is something that Spellbinders always includes in their kits, so that's really nice. There's also a sheet of foam squares. And after you pop out all those little squares, you could use the extra for foam dimension as well. You could just cut it up. Another regular item in all of Spellbinders kits are envelopes and card bases. So there are 10 of each, and these are all A2 size. So that's really nice that you already have your envelopes and your card bases. And you probably can't tell in the video, but the card bases have a nice linen texture on them. So even if you're not going to use them for card bases, you could use them for the background of your card or maybe for the sentiments. The kit also includes a giant bag of die cut shapes, and I will lay all of those out here in a moment so you can see everything that's included. First, I'll show you the die set. So there's 10 different dies, and these are so fun. It's a little paint palette, there's some paint brushes, a little tube of paint, and there's also a couple of flowers, and there's the little center of the flowers and some leaves as well. So that's everything that's included in the Spellbinders August 2021 card kit. Now here's a look at all of that ephemera. There is a lot. It's hard to tell in the video, but there are 2 of each piece. I just stacked them all together. So there's some large icons, there's more sentiments, some itty bitty little pieces, and many of those die cut pieces also have that gold foil finish, so that's a lovely touch. Now here's another look at Spellbinders August 2021 card kit. I will have links provided in the description box if you are interested in subscribing or purchasing this kit. In order to receive the August kit, you do have to sign up by August 24th or before they sell out. Since this is a monthly kit, quantities are always limited. I will add information on subscribing to their kits in the description box as well. And coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this fun kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.